Let me guess. You wanted to make money online, but so far you haven't discovered anything that has helped you. So now I'm certain that you'll be able to utilize the websites I'm going to show you. There are websites that you have never seen before where you can make money online. It gets even better, since everything is provided for free. I'll offer you 3 websites that can quickly and simply pay you money. These applications are completely self-contained and have no ties to one another. With these 3 applications, you can maximize your time while still making as much money as possible. And of course, these 3 may be accessible on whatever device you have, since you can use your phone, laptop, computer, or tablet to access them. These apps can undoubtedly help you make money without having to do anything at all. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to leave some comments below. You will, first and foremost, need your own PayPal account, and of course, double check that it's functioning. You will be able to claim your earnings using PayPal, but if you don't already have a PayPal account, hold your horses because I'm going to show you how to get one. The first step is to go to PayPal's website and click the Sign Up button. Also, keep in mind that the whole procedure is completely free. When you click the Sign Up button, the next step is to fill out the needed information, which is mostly personal and allows them to learn more about you. With those simple procedures completed, you may now access your PayPal account, which you can use when you begin earning money. To get your money, if you don't want to be paid through PayPal for any reason, you can go to your browser and search for an online bank account in your country. You won't have to pay any extra fees. You're ready to get started now that you've figured out how to get that money to you. I'm going to utilize my PC for this video so that you can fully comprehend everything. However, you are free to use whatever gadget suits your needs. As I previously stated, these methods are brand new off the internet and have not been introduced to our channel. These apps will generate an income stream passively, which means you will not have to do anything to make money. You will simply install these apps, set them aside, and let them do their work. Isn't that simple enough? Indeed, and I can tell you that this movie will be both entertaining and educational, so make sure you stick with me all the way to the conclusion. Also, don't jump forward to avoid missing anything. First, there was Money SMS App, which was a website. This is a website that you may visit using your browser, PC, or mobile device. Simply ensure that you have access to the internet. Of course, you may make money online just by receiving SMS messages created by the system using the Money SMS app. And when you think about it, it's very straightforward. All you have to do now is download it on your device and register for an account. After you've created your account, you can begin earning money by expecting some random messages to be sent to you and just allowing them to pass through, since that's where your money comes from. By the way, you don't have to respond to any of the messages, so you may simply leave them alone. Those messages aren't really important. You may simply erase them and continue to make money after doing so. On their website, you may learn more about the complete system. And as you can see, it's only compatible with Android devices. Unfortunately, only Android apps can read SMS messages, which means the Money SMS app doesn't work. As a result, working on iOS is now not feasible. If you're dubious, don't be, since I spent a lot of time researching and testing this software. And guess what? There are thousands of happy customers all around the globe, and they all express the same good sentiment. They're thrilled with how well the software is working for them and how quickly they're making money. To put your mind at ease even more, this software is completely secure since it will never have access to personal messages sent to you. It will only read messages delivered through their system, ensuring that your personal messages, login details, and other sensitive data remain safe. Also, allow me to extol the virtues of the system, because it operates on its own. You don't have to do anything for this to function, as I previously said. And the good times don't stop there, since there's a referral scheme where you can ask your friends to try out the app. When you invite them and they join, you will get 30% of their profits, and this will never have to stop. Your 30% earnings will continue as long as you live here, and all you have to do is ask your friends to join. What a fantastic idea! Just to reiterate, the software is completely free and you will never be required to pay for it. To get automatic SMS messages, just register and follow the procedures I mentioned above. After that, it's as easy to start making money. Let's go to the website together, and you can view the dashboard straight away. You may also get your referral code from this page, which you'll use to invite your friends and family to join the app. Make an effort to be inventive and innovative in order to get more people to join and make more money. Post your code on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to broaden your reach. Remember to think outside the box, since we're talking about a staggering 30% of your friends' profits. As a result, invite as many people as you can. Now you may be wondering whether this is really authentic since everything seemed so strange with the easy money available. Actually, you can see for yourself since there is a proof of payment area which many people have given. In addition, the app takes all the required steps to guarantee that it complies with the latest GDPR privacy policies. Everything is made available to you in a transparent manner. So go ahead and discover all you need to know by visiting their website. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Let's return to the video now. You're probably already familiar with the concept of passive income. The next website I'll tell you about operates in a similar manner. This software is only compatible with Android smartphones. But hold on a second, don't go just yet, because the final program I'll show you will run on any platform. As a result, it makes no difference whether you use an iOS or Android smartphone. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end to learn about these simple ways to make money online. CashMagnetApp.com is the name of the website, and the term can't be more accurate than that. Cash Magnet brings together the best reward programs that you want to play with, and that Cash Magnet will pay you a lot more money than the SMS app that I mentioned before. We're just working our way to the top, beginning with the app with the lowest income yield and working your way up to the app with the greatest income yield. If you like playing games and watching entertaining films, you will not be disappointed with this software. Cash Magnet will simply urge you to play games and view humorous adverts in order to make money. You may even start earning money right now, because you may start earning money as soon as you download and install the app. You can download your app and leave it alone to work its magic, just like a money SMS app. Your options are also infinite since you can utilize as many gadgets as you like and leave them alone. You may make money by doing nothing or by completing your everyday activities such as studying, hanging out with the friends, resting, watching movies, doing housework, and everything else you do on a daily basis. Since the whole process is essentially a workout. This practice could be done every day because it only takes a few minutes of your time and you will be able to leave your phone behind once you have it set up. Many people from all 7 continents have already expressed their joy at having enough purchasing power to finally acquire the goods they've desired for a long time. You can be one of those users and get your hands on the items you've been coveting. Simply download and install the program to purchase the items you want, such as those bags you wanted from the shop or that brand new phone you've been admiring for months. Oh, and before I forget, I want to reassure you that the app is completely secure and that your personal information will never be made public or used maliciously. There's no reason for you to be concerned about anything. All of these programs are, once again, completely free. You do not need to pay to view this. Regardless of where you are on the map, these applications allow you to make money without having to do anything. Simply download the applications and leave them to their own device. Finally, this video is coming to a close. So for today's app, I'll tell you everything about it. You may earn a lot of money on this app by doing something that I know you like. Play some music. This software is compatible with both iOS and Android smartphones as promised. So go ahead and use any one you like. Both the Google Play Store and the App Store have a large selection of them. So I don't want to hear any complaints that these applications don't function because, believe me, they do. As always, all you have to do is download the app and then listen to your favorite songs to get points. Make this your main music platform, since the more music you listen to, the more points you'll get and the more money you'll make as a result. You can discover more music on this app, since they have access to over 100,000 radio stations from all around the world, allowing you to locate that song that you truly like. This app is accessible in every country across the globe, so no matter where you are, you can use this app for free at any time. I know you like to listen to music and improve your experience, and with this website that I'm going to introduce to you, you can be paid to do so. You may earn more points by streaming more music, which you can then use to shop for your favorite brands and much more. Current.us is the name of the website. If you want to understand more about the app and how it works, go to its official website and get all of the information you need. To summarize, this program is completely free and widely distributed around the globe, and you can listen to your favorite music on almost any device you want. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to see you guys again in the next video. Till then, peace out. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.